Morning students, welcome in your English class, and today our topic is letter writing. What is letter? Letter is a written message. When we want to convey our message to someone in a written form, we used to write letter. Okay, letter are basically of two types: informal letter and application letter. Now what is informal letter? Informal letter are those letter which we used to write to our friends or family members. See, it is written by the word only, it is clear. Informal. Formal means when you have to follow some rules or etiquettes or manners. But informal means like this, in which you can express yourself without hesitation, right? Now second one is application letter. Application letters are generally written for schools. Like if you are absent, you have to write the application to the principal, or if you want a leave, or if you want if you want some transfer certificate or anything related to school matter, you write application letter. Okay, start with application. What are application? I have already said, like application are written to the principal regarding certain matter you want him to acknowledge. Like if you want sick leave, if you want a TC, if you want to go on a picnic, if you want to go on a trip outside your city, all these are the topics for which you can write a letter to the principal. Okay, so for writing the letter to the principal or for writing the application, you should keep certain points in mind. First point is polite manner. First point is polite manner. That means you can't order the principal in any way. If you are writing the letter, your language should be simple and it should have etiquettes and manners. Okay, you can't order. Like if you want a sick leave, you can't say give me sick leave. You will request. You will request that I am not well, please allow me to be absent. Okay, if you want to go on a picnic, you will not say please take us to the picnic. No, you will say please, it's a request, if possible please allow our class for picnic. Okay, so your etiquette or manner should be shown in this application letter. Second point, reason should be clearly mentioned. Like you can't write a long letter without coming to the center point for which you are writing. Suppose if you are writing about sick leave, you will write up to the point that what you want. Okay, the reason should be clearly mentioned about what you are writing the letter. In a single letter, you can't include all the things what you want to say. You have to just be specific to what you want. Okay. Third point is similar to the point. That means you can't write about the whole class, about the weather outside, about your country or anything in specific matter. You are not allowed to write in an application. You have your point should your letter should be to the point. That means whatever topic you have selected for writing. Suppose if you want to go on a picnic, your topic letter body should be same, showing the your eager desire for going on a picnic. That's it. You will not mention about your friends, they are doing this, that. You will not mention about your family, whatever things you are there, other matters you are not going to write. No other irrelevant matters are included in that letter. Okay, so the application should be to the point. Okay, and after writing the letter or the application, you have to cross check spelling mistake or punctuation error. You have to see whether you have written all the spellings correctly or all your punctuation marks are correct or not. That means if whether it is required you have given full stop, whether it is required you have given comma. Okay, and whether it is required you have started the letter with capital letter. All these things you have to keep in mind, and like this only you are not going to, because it is showing your presentation to the principal. Okay, so it should be in a polite manner, that means in a request form. It should be clearly mentioned, that means what do you want from him, what do you want from her. You have to write in a means clearly mention, you have to mention it in your letter that why you are writing this letter. Third, to the point. You have to ignore all the irrelevant matters. Okay, the letter should be, or the application should be in such a way that only important things which are required for the letter should be written in it. Okay, and at last you have to cross check after writing the whole letter. You have to cross check if there is any spelling mistake or any punctuation error. Now we will see what is the format for application, how we have to write the application. First, you will write here to whom you are writing. To, in the next line you will write to the principal. Now, principal of where? Principal of your school name. So we will write here our school name, that is Glen Hill School. To the principal, Glen Hill School. Now where is Glen Hill School? We will write here the address, that is okay. Here we have written the where to whom we are writing the letter. See, all these things should be from the same line, same point. Okay. Now after that we will leave some lines, one line here. Then we will write here subject. Now what is subject? Subject means the matter for which we are writing the letter. Okay. So we will write here subject. Now what is the subject? It will always be a application. So application for whatever be the reason. Like if you are writing for sick leave, you will write here application for sick leave. If you want to go for a picnic, application for picnic tour. Whatever topic is there, you will write here application for this reason. Okay. Then here you will close the bracket. Okay. Now next, again you will leave one line here and then you will write respected. If your principal is sir, you will write here sir. If your principal is madam, you will write here madam. Okay. So respected sir or madam, comma. Then after writing this, from the next line, from here you will write the body of the letter, that why you are writing the letter. Okay. Like this you will write the body of the letter, and after that you will write here thanking you yours sincerely, now here you will write your name. Okay, if suppose Aman is writing the letter, so here he will write Aman. The title, what is his title? Suppose Aman Mehra. So Aman Mehra, class 5th. Suppose section is A, roll number 1. So like this it will be written. Okay, you can see the board clearly. See,